Hello everyone, this is Ashwini Sarabhai. I'm a cake artist and my passion lies in making realistic looking sugar flowers. So here I am today to show you how I make a clematis. So these are the clematis that I'm going to show. These are beautiful flowers which look amazing on a cake for so many occasions, be it a wedding, anniversaries or even birthdays. So these come in many colors. And we are going to make the purple variety today. It's a 4-petal clematis. I'll be showing you how to make the stamens for the center. There are two types of stamens. One are shorter while the other are longer. So we'll see how to make both the types of stamens and how to put them together. Next we'll see how to make the petals. We are going to see how to shape and vein them and also give a movement to the petals. After that, we'll see how to dust these petals and get that perfect shade of color. We'll then move on to working on the leaves, getting the shape, the veining and of course the dusting color. And then we'll see how to put all of these elements together to form the flower. So join me in this class and I'll show you how to make this clematis. Thank you.